This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Microtek Stabilizer model and its rated load in watts or VA so you size the connection correctly. Next, place the unit on a level surface with at least 10 centimeters clearance for airflow. This prevents overheating. Once done, verify the AC is turned off at the wall and the room isolator is open. Then switch the stabilizer mains to OFF. These first actions protect equipment and let you proceed to wiring with confidence and safety. Now wire the stabilizer using cables sized for the AC load, typically 5 to 4 mm. This limits voltage drop and heating. Connect live, neutral, and earth from the stabilizer output to the AC unit input, matching the L, N, and E markings exactly, because reversed wiring can damage the compressor. Tighten terminal screws to the manufacturer torque to prevent loosening, then fit the terminal cover. Before switching power, recheck connections and grounding to ensure reliable voltage regulation during operation. Finish by switching the stabilizer mains on first, then energize the isolator and finally turn the AC on. This sequence lets the stabilizer regulate before the compressor loads the line. Monitor the stabilizer voltage display and the air conditioner for 5 to 10 minutes, listening for abnormal noises and feeling for excessive heat around connections. If you see unstable voltage, tripping, or strange sounds, immediately cut power and recheck wiring. Earth continuity and fuses. This single troubleshooting step resolves most installation faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.